We have a scheduled Zoom today, so we probably talked about this part on the Zoom, but I always do this beginning part of the notes just in case, and also so that if someone were absent for any reason, they could get the lesson. This is going to seem like the same situation we looked at last week. We have our friends Annette, Bill, Craig, and Donna with convenient first initials A, B, C, and D, this time participating in a rap battle instead of a karaoke competition. The top two contestants won gold medallions. The medallions are identical. This is the key part. This is what makes this different than last week's scenario. And how many different ways could the medallions have been awarded? So you could choose, it's probably more appropriate to say, the results of the competition will choose the two people that win the medallions. But let's say Annette wins a medallion for being one of the top two rappers. Bill, Craig, or Donna could win that other medallion. Or if Bill wins a medallion, the other three possibilities for the second medallion would be Annette, not Bill, Annette, Craig, or Donna. If Craig is one of the top two rap battlers, and then Annette, Bill, or Donna could be the other one. And if Donna is one of the best two rappers in the group, Annette, Bill, or Craig might be that second amazing rap star. It looks like we have 4 times 3 or 12 possible ways to hand out these medallions. At first glance, it looks just like last week's scenario where we had 2 people winning trophies. However, with the trophies were different sizes. Here it's specified that the medallions are identical. So if Annette and Bill win medallions, that's the same as Bill and Annette winning. So you start to see that some of these possibilities are repeated. Like in other words, this one is the same as BA is the same as AB. And then when you get down here, CA is already up here, AC. And so is CB because you have BC right here. And so you really don't need in the second grouping to consider Bill and Annette because you already have Annette and Bill up here. Down here you don't need to consider Craig and Annette or Craig and Bill because Craig and Annette and Craig and Bill were already considered the top two rappers in these other groupings. And so, and as a matter of fact, when you get down to Donna has already been considered with every other possible rapper, and so none of these are needed. Or I shouldn't say aren't needed, but they have already been considered. In other words, Annette Craig we have here, Annette Donna we have here, Bill Craig we have here, Bill Donna we have here, and we already recognize that Bill Annette is the same as Annette Bill, and so I'm going to cross this one off. If I listed these, Craig Annette, Craig Bill, and Craig Donna, you see that Craig Annette can be crossed off because it's the same as Annette Craig. Craig Bill is the same as Bill Craig, and so this one can be crossed off. The only one in this grouping that we should consider is Craig Donna because that combination of rappers has not yet been counted. And it really, this is, when you hear this complicated word, combinatorics, it's just a fancy word for counting. All we're really doing is counting all the possibilities. But we need to know the count because we need to, in order to calculate probabilities, we need to know what's possible. How many possible combinations of these people are there? All right, when we get down to Donna Annette was the same as Annette Donna right here, so cross that out. Donna Bill, the same as Bill Donna, we've already counted that there. And Donna Craig got counted right here when we considered Craig and Donna. And so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways the medallions could be awarded. If the medallions were trophies of different sizes, we know from our work last week that would be a permutation resulting in 12 possible ways to award the 2 trophies. With a permutation, the order matters. If the medallions are identical, the order doesn't matter. There's no first or second place. There's first and second place. There's top 2. Consider top 2 there. Annette Craig is no different than Craig Annette. And so because Annette Craig and Craig Annette could be reversed, you take the 12 and you divide it by 2 so that we don't double count those reversals. Probably the best way to explain it right now.